Hi everyone! As you can see, I'm quite a fan of Almaty, but there are one or two things that I don't like about this city. In part 1 of this video, I used intensifiers to talk about some of the best things about Almaty. This time we're going to look at mitigators or downtoners. These do the opposite job of intensifiers, they weaken the adjectives or adverbs. So they're pretty useful when we're trying to be diplomatic or soften what we're saying. Here are some of the most common ones. The weather can be fairly unpredictable, so it's best to have a raincoat or umbrella. The parking situation is really rather awful, which is another reason why it's best to walk. There are some pretty good cafes and restaurants here, but they can be quite expensive. One important point with this one though, when we use quite with an extreme adjective like perfect, excellent, gorgeous, incredible, it becomes an intensifier, so it makes those adjectives stronger, not weaker. Mitigators can also be used with comparatives. For example, hopefully you now understand how to use these adverbs a bit better than before. Thanks for watching.